first. Wait, is it? Wait. The line was something like. Yeah.
Explain what you were just doing with your thumb. That's very cool.
Is that the same as the thing like on that movie August Rush, the snap? What are you doing? I had it. Alexis, stop.
No, it was like- it was
no,
like
it wasn't.
you
It was
cut
fine.
it.
Stop touching
was
it.
a horrible
Stop
angle.
touching it.
Heck yes.
Stop.
It was very hard to develop because John Mayer does it a lot where he kind of gets like into this groove. I kind of get into it too sometimes, where like he'll it's really hard to grasp. Like you're kind of like have your fingers like I don't know how to explain it. Like you just put your fingers like this, and you're kind of like, and you kind of mess with it, and
So you're kind of like picking it?
yeah, you're kind of picking it with your fingers, and then you just, and the best thing to do is not to think about it, because when you think about it, then you jack up. Trust me, I've done that a lot.
Don't think.
There was one time I was playing, and I had to play the intro line. For some reason I forgot it, and then I freaked out and I forgot what key we were in, and we were in C, and I played a bad note that stood out, and I was like, oh my God. So don't think about it. Just kind of go with it, and then
After you learn it.
yeah.
First you have to learn it.
First
Then
you
you
have
don't
to
think
learn
about it.
Yeah, then you don't think about it,
That's a good theory.
and you kind of just like you get into it. So it's like
So your thumb is like smacking a string, like
Yeah.
slap bass. You
Yeah.
got slap bass going with your thumb.
Yeah.
But your fingers are doing finger picking.
yeah. So you're kind of like slapping it, and it keeps you in tempo too, kind of. And you can do anything.
Can you do
I was
that?
kind of.
Never tried.
You can.
I'm gonna have to now.
Yeah, it's really fun because it puts you in this little groove and you get it. That's how I got into it, the little jazz thing. I was doing the same thing, but I was like. And you can do it with any kind of progression. Let me see. Let's see. Let's see. So you kind of get into. Oh, sorry. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to jack up. Yeah, you get. It puts you in this little groove. So if you ever want to try it and just work with it, when you work with it, it'll come to you naturally. And you can kind of feel it too. Like you'll feel when to hit it. So another little Mayer song I love is that One Belief. It was like. So, let's see. So yeah, that's another little